So welcome to the top 3 streaming applications for the month of March. Now the regulars of my channel will know that I do one of these episodes once a month, just trying to share all the best streaming applications I've found. Now what makes today's episode a little bit special is you're not going to see any adverts in any of these applications. On top of that, none of these applications require any kind of registration, no usernames, no passwords, and for the majority of my audience, you don't need to use any kind of VPN to access this content. So all of this great content across all of your devices, absolutely free and even ad-free. So please do take a moment to hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said, let's get started. If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest Firestick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you. So the first application in today's list is CBS. Now, great application, no registration needed. The only thing you have to bear in mind that it is designed for the USA audience, so make sure you are in that location or you have an IP address from that location. Let's open that up, and all of the navigation can be done with the standard remote control, so you don't need to use any kind of virtual mouse or mouse toggle to use this application. Now on the home screen we can see it does give you the option to sign in with your TV provider if you want to do that, but in this demonstration I'm just going to go to watch for free. Let's click on that, or watch free episodes, and we are straight into the application. So it has a really nice clean layout. This is the home section. I can now scroll down and see we have full episodes of these different shows here. We also have an on now section, which is the live TV. Then you have the trending shows. So you can see they really do have some very popular, very recent or current content in here. Let's say for example you're interested in this comedy, let's just go for this one here. Click on that, click on watch now, and we can see this show without requiring any registration. Takes a few seconds and we are then straight into that content. That's working great. Let's back out of that. But then we have a section for dramas, we have news, reality TV, prime time, daytime, we have some clips. So that's that. Let's go to the left. So that's in the home section. Let's go down into shows. And we can now see all of the shows supported in this free application. So these are obviously the popular shows, but I can go to the top and go to A to Z or A to Z. Click on that. And this now shows you all of the shows supported in this application. And honestly guys, when I saw the list, I was just blown away at how much free content is available that you can enjoy across all of your devices absolutely free. Next up we have the latest version of Tubi TV. Now not only does this latest version have a great live TV section, but they've also expanded their library, so you have around about 30,000 titles in this single application. On top of that, the fact that it doesn't have any adverts, it has a great fully working EPG. It definitely is worthwhile checking out. Most popular, cinema, documentary, movie night. Now if I press left on the remote, I can also go to categories, and we now get to see all of the genres like this. So for example, if I'm interested in family comedy, I can click on that, and this will then filter out the content for me. And for a quick test, if I want to watch this Flintstones, click on that, click on play, and within a couple of seconds, without any pop-ups, without any adverts, we can see we are straight into that content. And you can also click on movies if you're interested in just the movie section, or TV shows. But I think with this new version, because I've added the live TV section, let me click on that, and we can now see we have access to all of these sports channels available directly on Tubi TV. Let's go down. You can also access all of these news networks. Then you have business news. Now the great thing is, if you do open up one of these channels, let's go for Weather Nation. Let's click on that. We can see that opens up straight away. Now if I press down on the remote, we can see I can actually enable captions if you want to enable those subtitles. But also if you press right on the remote, we can now see a complete channel list. So you can see guys, lots of different channels. lots of different categories, and we can see they have lots of different local channels. So I know lots of you are looking for local content, especially since Lowcast shut down. We can see in this application you really can access a lot. So for a quick test, I don't know which one to click on. Let's just go for this one here. Is that going to work? In a couple of seconds, we can see we are straight into that content, and that really is a fantastic HD picture. Let's press back. So lots of options in the live TV section. And if any of you guys are still here with me, then if you drop a like on this video and leave the comment #top, then I know you made it this far in the video, which I always appreciate. I'll then heart your comment. And last and by no means least, we have the latest version of Fawesome. Now, this again has a massive library of movies, TV shows, has a really nice interface, and again, because it has no adverts with this special version, you really can go ahead and enjoy all of this great content without any interruptions. You can see we have a section for TV shows, recently added, collections, about, and search. Let's start with the home section. So here you'll see some of the popular content. We can break the content down into different genres. So if I'm really interested in sci-fi, I can click on that. Here we can see some of the content in there. If I want to watch this, I can click on that, give that a second, and we can see we are straight into that content without any adverts, without any interruptions. We can now enjoy this movie absolutely free. Okay, so to get any of these applications on your Firestick or Android TV device, open up Downloader, navigate to my website, which is just tdoctoruk.com, or you can type in the short code 53402. Let's type that in and click on go. Now when you get to my site, if you head over to the hamburger menu, which is the one with the 3 lines, let's click on that and click on tutorials, and the latest tutorial in the list will be the top 3 streaming applications for the month of March. Let's open that up. Here we are, so we can see some information about the applications. Again, no login is required. And keep scrolling down. So here's a link for CBS. This is the link for Tubi TV for your Android TVs and your Fire Sticks, but if you have an older device running Android 5, like the older 2nd generation Fire TV stick, then use this version here. And lastly, we have the special version of Fawesome. So click on that, install the application, and you really can go ahead and enjoy all of that great free content. So that's all for this video, guys. Many thanks for watching. If you are somebody looking for more options, more legal options, then I definitely think the content in these 3 applications is worthwhile checking out. So if you did find this video useful, then do give it a thumbs up. If you have some other ideas for the next episode, then please do leave me a comment below, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.